One of the major complaints I get from my students is that they've successfully learned how to play scales, they've successfully learned how to play chords, but they don't know how to play this thing musically. So meaning that they will just pick up the scales, play up and down, pick up the chords, play one after the other, but they don't know how to play musically. This is a challenge that is common to 99% of beginner guitar players and some intermediate guitar players out there. The secret to practicing effectively is to practice musically. Now, what I mean practice musically is to practice in a real life situation, meaning if you are practicing those scales, practice it over a chord progression, and those chords, make sure you are playing those chords to follow a song. And then some of you might be asking, what if I want to play my favorite song but I don't have a backing track or I don't have anybody to sing for me and all of that? This is where AUDIMEE comes in. It's a tool that allows you to upload your favorite song, remove the instrumental of your favorite song, and then you are left with the vocals of that song. Then all you have to do is to follow along with those chords, all those licks and scales. I guess that sounds interesting and something you want to try, right? So stay to the end of this video because we are going to explore AUDIMEE together right now. Let's get started. So when you click the link in the description, it leads you to this. We have AUDIMEE, right? All you have to do, scroll down and click on isolate vocals because that's what we want to do, and click on explore. After doing that, it brings you to this page right here. Okay, so ensure that by the left here you click on isolate vocal because that's the function we're going to work with. Once you click on it, by the right you're going to see isolate vocals, blah blah blah. So come here, you see input, you see upload a song and choose appropriate settings. So let's imagine that we have a song. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use Bless the Lord Oh My Soul by Matt Redman, and I've downloaded it. So all we can do is just to click on add or drop. Then I'm going to my downloads and I have Matt Redman song. Click on it. So once you click on it, it uploads here and then you have it all here. So if I play it, you can hear the song, right? Bless the Lord of my soul. So if you scroll down, you see different settings that you can use on this audio track. So follow me step by step. If you are lost anywhere, pause the video and start over again so that you don't miss any step. So what we want to do is to remove the instrumentals, right? So that we'll play our own over the voice, right? So all you do, click on remove instrumental. Can you see it? That's all you need to do. So if the song has a lot of reverb, of course it's a song, so it must have gone through some vocal processing. You click on isolate. So now we're going to wait for this thing to remove our instrumental so that we can play our own. Okay, so it takes a little time. Oh, it's done. Perfect. So now that it's done, all you can do, this is your output. If you play it, let me find somewhere in the song and play.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul.
Can you hear?
Oh my soul.
So it has extracted the vocals. Now this is the best way we can now go ahead to rehearse as guitarists. Remember, the problem was that we don't have somebody to sing for us and we don't know how to play musically to make sense, right? So now all you have to do is to play this extracted voice while you follow along with the chords. This particular song is played in the key of G. Alright, so the chord progression goes like this. Bless the Lord is a 4, then 1, then 5, then 6. Wash the needle, right? Sing like 4 verb before 1, then 5, 6, 4 da da da. So you can pause the video to get the chord progression, or you can simply browse the chord progression and play along. It's quite popular, right? So now how we're going to do, very simple. We just go ahead to play the song and then play the guitar line separately. All right, so I'm playing it now.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship his holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship your holy name.
Perfect, guys. This is awesome. This is the best thing I've seen in a while. So shout out to AUDIMEE for this amazing tool. All right, I'm going to drop a link in the description below so that you can try AUDIMEE for yourself. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, better do, because I'll be dropping another video explaining the beauty of AUDIMEE. So I'll see you in the next video.